Okay, welcome to the Brew Cafe. So when you start off, you're inside the coffee shop and you're behind the counter as you're the barista. You have your menu where you can click continue and start. You'll notice that things show that you should continue on to the next step. And you can decide if you would like to move around physically behind the counter or if you want to use your controllers if you don't feel like moving around. So to start off this coffee process, you pour your beans into the grinder. You can then take the portafilter and grind your beans, and you'll notice that during the grinding process your controllers actually vibrate. You can then tamp your coffee in the portafilter. And you can attach it back to the coffee machine and brew your coffee. Same thing while you're brewing, your controllers vibrate once more. You can then move on to the milk process. So you pour your milk into the jug, and you can then froth your milk. Once you're done with that, you can pour your milk into your coffee, and there you have it. A nice coffee cup. You can then also take a sip, if you'd like. And yeah, you can then also decide to restart if you feel like playing once more. And there you have it. That is the Brew Cafe. You can then also decide if you'd like to walk around your coffee shop, if you'd like to explore. And yeah, you'll notice that the music comes from this musical instrument, or the vinyl playing. And you'll also notice that it is spatial audio. So if you're there, it sounds like it's a bit fun. Yeah. Thank you.